Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy S26 Ultra and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the sounds and vibration. Here let's tap on this ringtone section, and as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the full list of available ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option silent, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. Only it will show you the incoming call screen, but with no sound notification. Or we can tap on this plus icon in the right upper corner and choose something from our own files. So if you've got something, for example, recorded or downloaded, it should appear somewhere here, and you will be able to choose it and set it as your ringtone. But let me pick something from the available ones. Let me turn on the sound. And all you have to do in order to listen the particular one is to simply tap on it. And now you can hear it. You can decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I'd like to set this Breezy Dream as my ringtone. So just tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.